my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. I am going on vacation and I'm packing. I woke up at 7 this morning to put everything together and just get started. I did try on a lot of these clothes last night, but I thought it would be fun if I kind of walked through some of my favorite pieces that I'm bringing on vacation. I'm going to, I feel like I'm making a bigger deal of this than it is. I'm going to the Outer Banks with my mother, whom I love very much. So it's definitely not going to be like a bougie vacation by any means, but it's going to be super fun. And we're definitely going to go to like dinner. And I just like looking the part. I feel like vacation, I don't know, let me know if you're on the same line of thought here with me, but like, going on vacation and getting like fun clothes for vacation is almost just as exciting as the actual vacation. I feel like, at least. So I thought I would walk through some of the new things that I've purchased, even though I was like, you know, it's not a good idea to like buy things for a vacation because then you only end up wearing them once. But I really do think, with the exception of a couple of these pieces, they were just too good to not get. But I tried to get things that I know I'm going to wear all summer long. And to be honest, I have kind of a love-hate relationship with summer when it comes to clothing. I end up dressing just very utilitarian because I hate being hot. I feel so uncomfortable when I'm hot. But all of that aside, that's probably for another video. I feel like I'm really getting in my groove with like summer clothing and what I like and what goes with my aesthetic, but what's also really comfortable. So yeah, so I'll first start talking about this piece that I'm wearing. I got this from Zara, and honestly, linen has been the name of the game for me. I know linen in summer, like how revolutionary, but honestly, I don't want anything that's like not natural, which is such a hypocrisy because I know that some of these items are definitely synthetic materials. But for the most part, when I'm wearing like everyday items around New York City or just when I'm on vacation, the idea of wearing something that's not breathable just makes me want to die at this point in my life. So I'm very into this linen kind of like one piece. It's not a one piece, it's a two-piece situation. It comes with these like, and also an elasticated short is like, I don't know about you guys and a little quarantine weight that's gone on, but I am very into this look. And so yeah, it comes with, well, you buy them separately, but I put it together. Comes with this linen, beautiful, oversized kind of baggy shirt. You can like tuck it in if you want, which I will. And then these amazing linen trousers. I mean, this is just like wear it all the time. The second I bought these pants, I ripped the tag off and was wearing them around the apartment. It's that comfortable. I love that it kind of has this like open neck. It makes it a little sexier, I guess. But yeah, I just love this set. I love the like natural color, even though it's like a little bit of I'm going on safari vibes, but it's also kind of bougie, which I'm into. So yeah, and then this is another piece that I got. I actually will say I didn't look too closely when I ordered it off Amazon. I kind of wish I would have gone for the size large because this is meant to really be like a big old beach bag. But I do think it'll be nice and something that I don't wear on just vacation. I want to like, frankly, bring this to Whole Foods, put my groceries in it. I just think it's a really chic way to kind of like carry a lot of stuff. I think it looks amazing. I will link everything below. Like I said, I got this off Amazon. One disclaimer, it really doesn't smell good when you first get it. Whatever kind of straw this is, just like really doesn't smell good, but I can already tell it's starting to air out as I've got it out of the box. So just beware of that. But I think it's so adorable. It's gonna be my little beach bag here, as well as just in New York City. I will wear this around. And then a couple other non-clothing items. Let's take a look-sees. I bought these at the beginning of summer and I've been wearing them. I also went to Mexico earlier this year, and I have to have a hat. Now that I'm in my 30s, I absolutely will not put this face in the sun. I do not pay for IPL and Botox to get all dried out by putting my face in the sun. So I'm totally that person that's putting on like SPF 100 and wearing a hat. And I was obsessed with this idea of like a chic 1920s kind of like bucket hat. And I have been wearing these like crazy. At first, I'm not gonna lie, these are lack of color, and they were a little pricey for a bucket hat. They're around $100 a piece, but I think especially the straw one is just really, really chic. And I love that it doesn't have like too wide of a brim in the back, because when you're like sun tanning and you lay down, like sometimes that really gets in the way, but it still covers my face, which I love. And then this one I've been wearing all the time in New York. It's just this black little canvas bucket hat. But yeah, this is just a great thing to throw on. I'll probably bring a bigger straw hat maybe. I also bring like a ball cap as well, but I think these ones look really, really, really pretty, really chic, and I love this like primitive straw one for vacation. So I will absolutely be bringing my hats. That is a must-have on vacation. And then another thing that I picked up actually from H&M Home, which I love H&M Home, is this towel, which I love. So I wanted a towel that was just easy to like put out over, you know, a nice chair. We usually rent chairs by the beach, so that's not really a problem, but having a towel that I can just set out, that's gonna actually dry really quickly. I mean, you can kind of see a theme here. I'm very into this like natural fiber kind of chic Moroccan look to everything. So yeah, I really love this towel. I freaking love H&M Home in general. I'll maybe do another video on that, because I actually prefer H&M Home over Zara Home, even though, as you can see with this assortment of clothing, I think Zara has better clothes, but H&M Home really does bring it home for me. Oh my God, that was like the dumbest pun I've ever done, and I didn't even do it on purpose. Okay, so now let's jump into the clothing. So I want to start out with these amazing shoes that were actually a gift from my boyfriend, and these are these Jimmy Choo espadrille wedges, and they are so freaking comfortable, and I actually love they're sort of like dark suede, so I can put them on with an outfit like this where I just want a little bit of length, and they're also gonna look super good with all of these dresses. So let me jump right into it. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So let me start with the brand new pieces that I got. Like I said, I never really recommend purchasing new things for a holiday, but I saw these at Zara actually when I was in London, and I could not help but purchase these because they're just so freaking beautiful. And I really do think I will wear them again in the summertime. So yeah. This one I think is like the most holiday slash resorty, but like how beautiful is this? This reminds me so much of Greece, and it's just like, it can be a little cover up to wear to the pool. I actually think I'm gonna wear this when we go out to dinner. Oh, that reminds me, I need to bring a little slip to wear underneath, because it does look like it's a little bit see-through, but that's okay. It's vacation, so it's fine. And yeah, I just absolutely love this detailing. I think it's so freaking beautiful and really gorgeous quality. And I believe they also make it in like a top and a skirt. I think the skirt as well is really, really beautiful. But honestly, I just wanted something super easy to put on, wear with wedges if we go out to dinner, wear to the beach. I just think it's gorgeous, and I really love this embroidered look to it. It's very kind of like 70s, but I think it screams more like Santorini than anything, which is definitely the look that I'm going for. This is probably my favorite other than what I'm wearing, and I think I'll actually wear this around New York all the time, just outside of vacation. As you can see, it's sort of another kind of like 70s cut blouse, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It was made in India. I mean, just look at the detailing on this. It's so stunning. And it comes with the, well, it doesn't come, you have to buy these separates, but oh my God, look at these adorable shorts. They're so cute. So yeah, these I can wear by themselves. I can wear them with like a little black tank in my bag, and like, I think the cut is so freaking flattering. It's a high-waisted short. I don't think I'll ever put a high-waisted short on my body that's not like a 1 teaspoon denim short, to be perfectly honest, at this point in my life. But as you can see, they kind of like curve up on the side, so I think they're super flattering, and they just have that gorgeous detailing again. But I just love that I can like mix and match it with the tunic top, and I think it makes for just like such a stunning chic ensemble. I think I'm gonna wear these with my Stuart Weitzman Gladiator shoes. If we're like going out for dinner, I'll just wear them with like basic little Birkenstock rubber slides, which are my favorite things to wear on the beach, because I don't know about you guys, but I freaking hate a flip-flop. I can't put a flip-flop. It like hurts my toes to wear a flip-flop. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'll never wear a flip-flop again in my life. And then next in that Zara haul was like a little bit of a wild card, but I love, similarly kind of on that chic beachy theme, but this is actually gonna carry me into fall. It's this gorgeous striped, a little bit heavier kind of top, because every time I go to the beach, I always end up having to put on something a little bit cooler for the nighttime, just because it does get cold. And this was made in Portugal, just really nice, easy peasy. I feel like I have a lot of things I could throw this on with. I'm bringing my quince linen trousers, which are like my favorite things to wear on vacation. They look super chic, very high-waisted. I actually love them with my Zara like ruffly bikini top that I have, but they would look equally cool with this tucked into it. And honestly, into the fall, like I said, I'm gonna wear this all the time. And then let's talk about, so I do have some dresses from H&M that I wear all the time in the summer. I didn't get these particularly for this vacation, but I do want to call them out because they're amazing for vacation. This is just like a very basic t-shirt dress, and I'm obsessed with it. I wear it when I'm like walking my dog, and or it's like a super hot day. Just a very easy thing to throw on, but then you can style it up with like the gladiators once again, and it looks super chic, super cool. You can put a little belt on it. I can use my little Bottega belt. But yeah, I just love a basic like this. This is one of those that you can like wear all summer long and then pass on when it's worn out. And then this is another dress from H&M that oh, just kidding, this one's from ASOS. I have been wearing this just like year after year on vacation. It's just that staple little black vacation dress. It's so glamorous, but like so crazy comfortable. Honestly, it's just, who doesn't want to wear a big glamorous sack, you know, after you've been tanning all day long? You just want to look super chic when you go out to dinner. And it's absolutely stunning, and I wear it every single year in the summertime. I think it's so beautiful. So this will definitely be coming along with me. I think you're gonna sense a lot of, so like I said, I want this to carry over. That's why you're gonna see a lot of black in here. But I just love wearing black in the summertime as well, because when you sweat a lot, like, I don't know, I feel like even white, that shows up. But this has been a really amazing purchase of mine this summer. I honestly was just looking for really lovely linen, again, dresses. I kind of like purged my closet of like all these synthetic dresses because I just couldn't handle the heat. And this one I think is so stunning. Usually I'm not a big fan of an off-the-shoulder neckline for me, as I just showed you two off-the-shoulder dresses, but I think this one does it so perfectly. It comes in just enough at the waist as to where it's like not a super sack, and it's still really flattering, but it's not tight, which was something that I was really wanting this summer. Like the idea of putting anything tight on my body, I was like, absolutely not. So I am just super obsessed with this dress. I've been wearing this all the time in New York, and I'm definitely gonna be wearing this at the beach. Here's like probably the most fun dress in this whole getup. This was actually a Rixo dress for Target, and this is definitely not something I would wear regularly, but I really took the plunge and I picked it up at Target, and I'm so glad that I did, because This is just like such a flattering dress for my body. Like it's honestly, I think one of the more flattering cuts. It's very loose. It's got this nice like stretchy sort of panel in the back, but it's just really fun, but still kind of true to my style. Like it's still a little black dress, but just with the fun polka dot print. I think it makes for like a really nice, once again, paired with like little gladiator sandals, or if I want to like upscale it, I'll put my little Chanel sort of Birkenstocks on there. And yeah, I just think it makes for a really nice, fun dress. This is definitely like my little go-to, want to do something different summer dress. And I feel like especially being in the South, sometimes all this black can be like a little jarring. So it's nice to show that I can be a little versatile. All right, so on the last of the dress train, this is another one that's really carried me through summer. This is also from H&M. It's a linen, just like big shirt dress. I wear this to work a lot and around the house just because it is super comfortable. You can belt it. I think it's gonna look very chic with my little new espadrilles. It's just one of those easy pieces. I don't know about you, but I always get like really nervous that I'm gonna like not have enough clothes for some reason, even though it's just my mom and I. But I do feel I'm driving, so I can really pack as much as I want, which is really nice luxury to have. So I am just bringing this. I think it also makes for a really nice, just like beach cover up if you want. Having a big button up like this is always really handy. So I will be bringing this from H&M, another good H&M dress. Now I want to jump in a little bit to like the shorts and the tops, because I do like having pieces that I can just kind of mix and match depending on how warm it is. I don't know about you guys, but like I said, I sort of have like mixed feelings with shorts right now after going through the pandemic. In general, I'm not like super happy, I guess. That's a weird word, but like, I don't know. I just need clothes that are like flattering and make me feel good right now. And I just love nothing more than a high-waisted black short. And these are incredible. This one is an H&M linen blend black short. This one's far more casual. It has like that really amazing stretchy waist again that I love so much. And then this is a little more tailored, which is also beautiful. I can wear, I've actually worn both of these into the office, but I just think they're gonna look so good with, let me style these up for you. I'm gonna bring just some really basic, I got this cute little black crop top from Zara that I can wear with it. I'm gonna bring this little like black tank top that I've had for a really long time from Rag & Bone. It's like a nice one to wear with just like a fun little bra and like tuck into it. I just wanted like really easy peasy basics to kind of balance out some of the more fun pieces. There's also this really nice Zara sort of like silky top that I can wear with it. But yeah, I just think it's good to have like a fun pair of shorts. I also have a lot of little one pieces that have fun detailing that I can like tuck into these and wear it like out to the beach. So it is very like multifunctional, very versatile. So I like having just like some basics so that I'm not nervous about making outfits once I get there. But yeah, overall, I would say this is everything I'm gonna bring on vacation. Of course, I will be bringing things that you don't see here, like pajamas and workout clothes and stuff like that. But this is all the fun stuff that I'm, gonna be wearing around, taking pictures in, hanging out with my mom in. So yeah, hopefully, I know it's a little bit late in the year. Maybe some of you guys are still going on holiday into September, but if you are, or maybe you just want to pick up some of the stuff on sale potentially as we get into fall. I love doing that. I love buying in the off season. So either way, I hope you had a good time with this, and I need to get packing because I'm running a little late. But thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.